Amqembu ezombusazwe aphawulile ngalesikhwama sokubhekana nomthelela we-COVID-19.
And this package certainly doesn't leave anyone behind. It takes care of what we believe are the most important things, is to look at the public health plan, social relief and fighting hunger. We spend a great deal of time on that particular matter, and I think in particular we're very happy with the fact that the Cabinet has also agreed to include unemployed people, even though it's for a short term. It is some relief.
That the President covered a lot of the ground that we wanted him to do so. We're very glad that we're moving towards a smart lockdown as we proposed, and the document that's been released this evening shows a phased approach using very similar colours to the ones we used. So I think that's a positive sign. I think it's also positive that we are approaching international lending agencies like the International Monetary Fund and exploring those options rather than looking to dip into local pension funds.
The Freedom Front Plus say that we must remember that there are many people who were not vulnerable before the lockdown, but who are also now part of the vulnerable people in South Africa. Furthermore, we also say that we would have a more different approach when it comes to the businesses.
The big challenge facing the President will be for him to confirm whether he does have capacitated technocrats, in other words, these deployees from the ANC, to implement his plan. We welcome the intervention at the level of unemployment and to those who receive grants.
I think that President Cyril Ramaphosa is trying his level best to bring relief. We must think about people who don't have anything to eat.
We welcome this stimulus package that we believe will assist to reignite our economy. So among the expectations we had, what we wanted to hear, I just want to raise three of them. The first one, we were looking to hear the President talk about the gradual reopening of businesses.